So we were able to count how many points were inside each polygon. What if we wanted to get information from the polygons added to the points? So for example, in this case, we have the playgrounds and we want to know in which neighborhood each playground was located. This is also possible. It's a slightly different, procedure, but it's the same idea that GIS can handle these kinds of things. First, we'll close this layer. So we can just right click on it and then remove. And we'll say yes, remove that legend entry. The next step is to go to data management tools under vector. And here, join attributes by location. So it asks what is the target vector layer, and the target, the one that we want to change, is the playgrounds. So we'll select the playgrounds, that's the point layer. And the join, the information that's going to be joined to this is the neighborhoods, because that's the information that we want to add to the point layer. And now we have to say what the relationship is. So we have to say that the playgrounds are within the neighborhoods. So the playgrounds are within the neighborhoods, right? Because these points are inside a neighborhood. And then we just say temp here, and it will create a temporary layer and run it. And what it will do is it will take this playground layer, add information from the neighborhoods, and create a new playground layer that has the neighborhood information attached to it. So we'll run it. You can see the color of the dots is different. And if we look at the information in there, now we see the original information, and we see the information from the neighborhood layers added on. And this was Canal Circle is the name of the neighborhood, and we can see that that was originally attached to that layer anyways. But this confirms the fact that we've been doing it properly. If I click somewhere else, this is Edgewater, and sure enough, Edgewater is the right one. So this playground is in Edgewater. This one should also be in Edgewater, and sure enough, it is in Edgewater, and so on and so forth. So this process can be repeated over and over again to add as much information to a point layer as you like, and this is very useful for being able to look at relationships afterwards for analysis purposes.